What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Jazzy T. And yeah, I don't know what I was gonna say after that, so. So today I'm gonna be doing I'm gonna be doing 20 facts that y'all obviously didn't know about me because I'm a YouTuber. So like y'all don't know me like that. So why not say 20 facts about me? I was gonna do 50, but I was like, I couldn't even think of like 10. So I was like, you know what? So some of these are kind of stupid, but it's something. Okay, so I got them on my computer, but I can't see. Oh, here it is. Okay, so fact number 1 is my favorite animal are turtles. I love turtles. So hop off my jock. Fact number 2. I'm a 70s baby, so yeah. And like I kind of consider myself a 90s baby. But yeah. I don't really like the 80s, but 70s and 90s, I'm all for it. Fact number 3. I love shopping at Goodwill. There's nothing else to it. I love shopping at Goodwill. Like, I just like the old stuff, so yeah. Fact number 4. My current favorite show is Freaks and Geeks, and that's a show from like the 90s, I think. Fact number 5. I was born July 7th, 2001 in Music City, baby. Fact number 6. My favorite colors are violet and yellow. Number 7, I want to be an actor, but if that don't work out, I'm gonna have to be a nurse, or I'm gonna do forensic science or be like a forensic detective or whatever. Number 8, yeah, so I'm lactose intolerant. Lactose intolerant is just like where you can't have dairy, but I eat it anyways. But my favorite food is macaroni and cheese, but then when I found out I couldn't eat macaroni and cheese anymore, I found a new favorite food, which is Caesar salads and burgers without cheese. Fact number 9, my favorite number is 6. Fact number 10, I love podcasts. Fact number 11, I love conspiracy theories. I even believe them sometimes, and this little hair is falling out, but whatever. Fact number 12, I don't like makeup. For prom, I wasn't like hyped about all that makeup I had on my face, so I was just kind of like. Fact 13, I'm 5'2" not 2 inches, 5'8" tall. Fact number 14, next school year, I'm about to be a senior 12th grader, so you know what's up, baby. Fact number 15, I used to believe in Slender Man, and I used to be really afraid of him. So I couldn't take showers alone. Like, nobody got inside the shower with me, but I had to have somebody sitting out there talking to me. Fact number 16, I want to go to New York City. Like, really bad. I've always wanted to. I've been, like, everywhere but New York City. So, yeah. Fact number 17, I'm going to be 17 this year. Fact number 18, I'm very awkward, but I don't care. People tell me that I'm awkward all the time, but I don't really care because that's just who I am, you know, like that's me. Like, I'm not gonna be like awkward around you. I'm just like weird and awkward in a cool way, you know. Fact number 19, I've never physically been in a fight, like meaning like I've never been in like a fist fight or anything like that. I've been really close to it, but then they just back out because I'm just like, girl, will it hit me? Because like, you know, I can't hit first or I'm gonna get in trouble. So yeah, wait for them to hit me first. But fact number 20, last but not least, my dream car is an all black Range Rover, meaning black exterior and black interior, and it's gonna be bomb delicious. Okay, so that was my 20 facts about me, Jazlyn, you know, Jazzy T. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And I will be posting more often to you guys, I promise. Okay, So like, comment, and subscribe. Hasta la vista. Till next time, Jazzy T is out this video.